Pakistan believes in peaceful coexistence and wants to promote a friendly neighborhood. We do not harbor any aggressive designs against any country. However, our desire for peace must not be misconstrued as a sign of weakness or indifference. Pakistan armed forces are fully capable of defending our country against all threats and odds. Pakistan's economic future hinges upon the success of CPEC, with Gwadar port as its major component. To achieve this end, the need for a strong and vibrant navy is very important and than ever before. Besides this, our adjoining sea areas are home to multiple security challenges, and I am glad that Pakistan Navy, with its available resources, continues to perform and fulfill our international obligations most effectively. Pakistan believes in peaceful coexistence and wants to promote a friendly neighborhood.